Wow, you can't believe what I just discovered. There are free tools called Claude AI and Canva are helping beginners to make over $786 online. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Even though you are a complete beginner, you need to partake on this. I will guide you step by step to make this more easier for you. I have already created these bundles. Just go to my description link or my comment and download them. First of all, what is Claude? Claude AI explain it right. Plan and create anything for you. Canva help you to design your beautiful products. Design it perfectly. So we have 3 steps we are going to handle and execute this project. 1. Claude will create digital product for you. Then Canva is gonna design it for you. Third, you sell it on Gumroad, Sell and Seller. These are the platform you are going to sell your product and start making money immediately. This is hot. Let's go. So this Claude AI is free. Canva is free to design. So this is Claude AI. So if you come to this place, so these are my previous work I have done. So keep the memory intact. You can go through it. Scroll down. There is a lot in Claude AI. All these are free AI tools. Okay. Let me show you Canva. This is Canva. Canva is free to create. As you can see, these are my previous work I have done. Okay. A lot of them have been using it for years. Okay, all these are free. Now we are going to write a prompt that you are going to give Claude to generate script for us. Please, before we go ahead, I want you to go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you. Type. This is the prompt you are going to give a Claude AI to generate a new product for you. Create a content creator planner. Look at how Claude is going to handle it for us. These are something that take us 2 days, 3 days to begin to crack brain on how to do it. As you can see, Claude AI is doing it for us. Are you seeing it? It's putting everything down for us. After putting it down, we are going to copy it straight to Canva. See you in Canva. Let's go and do beautiful work over there. Come to Canva. Click it. It will bring you to this interface. Okay. We are going to use A4. So you click A4. This is our workplace where we're going to do the work right now. Before we start, I need to explain some certain things for you. It's very, very important. As you can see this workplace, and if you look up, you will see this ruler signs. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you are going to fix this ruler in case you want to start your own project. First thing you have to do, make this ruler to be here. Come to file, click your file, come to setting. As you can see, look at it, show rulers and guides. It's very, very important. What is essence of this ruler is to make your work to be on a straight line. Nobody wants to buy a product that is not a straight line, well aligned. You must make sure that your work is on a straight line and your work is very, very neat. So these are essence of ruler. Let me show you something. So you drag this one, bring this one here, you bring this one here, okay, and bring this one here. Look at how the structure is. Next thing I am going to still show you. You don't like to use white background to do your project. So what you have to do is just click anywhere around this project. Okay, just click it. As you can see this color have pop out. Click this color. It will bring different colors for you that you can choose to do your project. Okay. Canva is beautiful. Canva is money making machine. If you see Canva, you see Claude AI, combine 2 of them together is money making machine. Okay, I'm going to guide you step by step. You don't need to panic. Let's go. Next thing is text. You have to import. So I will come here, click load, come to this place, look at it here, then I import it. Are you seeing it? Different sections. What Claude AI is doing. You can see it very well. Look at what Claude AI, content creator, success planner. So now we are going to start with content ideas. After that, we'll create content calendars. We are going to create it one after the other. But I just want to show you the amazing work that Claude AI has done. Delete it and start with content idea. Come to text. So we are going to write 10 ideas. 10 ideas. Bring it here. Come back again. We are going to type never run out of ideas again. We minimize it. Okay. Come to position it very well. Nice one. We are going to write ideas, category, and notes. So these are things that we're going to break down right now. Test again. Click 1, 2, 3. Give that space. We are doing that so that everything will be on a straight line. Okay. Nice one. Then you stretch it, minimize. I'm going to bring this one here. Come to alignment, go down very well. Let's check this. Okay, so you draw it. Nice one. Take this one to this place. To minimize, go to transparency. Okay, reduce it, then bring it on top. Nice one. Then position it very well. You need a line. Alignment. Wipe out this one. Type line. Look at it here. You click. This line is too big. We are going to reduce it. Okay. Come to this place. We click here. As you can see, it's 4. Let's make it 2. Okay. Get it 2. So that it will pop out for those that are using its phone, right? If you make it so much tiny, it will not pop out on phone. So that's why we'll make it 2. Turn it. Make sure it's on a straight line. Stretch the line down. This one up. Bring it here. Next thing we are going to do is to duplicate the lines. I don't want this video to be too long. Lastly, you have to zoom it. So zoom it. Just bring it down. Draw this one. Minimize. So this time around, we are going to turn this line like this. We are going to turn it like that. Let's zoom it. Bring it up. So we are going to duplicate all of them down. So just duplicate, bring this one like this. This is amazing work of Claude AI and Canva. Now we have gotten it. Zoom it a little bit and bring it here. Bring this one. Wow, it is good. We need a box. Okay, come to this place. Scroll down. Just scroll down. Bring it here. Minimize it. Shift it down to this place. Zoom it a little bit. I'm going to duplicate this box to fill all the lines. These are what beginners are using to make money every single day and weeks are done. So bring this one, then close this one. Look at it here. You will bring it down. You stretch it. Okay. To this place. Reduce it, make it 20. Need one of this line. Let's duplicate this line and bring the line here, and stretch it. So let's zoom it. We duplicate this line, bring the line down, put here, take it up, duplicate the line. Nice one. Reduce this all to 1. Going to add a light. Scroll down. Let's see this one. Click this. Let's see how it goes. On to transparency. Let's reduce it. This step. So we'll take it to this place. So remain one thing for us to finish. Nice one. Duplicate. You turn it on it very well. Click on this. Widen it. Make sure. We are going to send this flower back. Okay. It's come to position. Come to this space black. Send it back. Good. So come to transparency. Reduce it. Nice one. This is how to create content ideas. Okay. Next one we are going to create now is content calendar. So this is bundle. Okay, this is bundle. We are going to create one after the other. Okay, after everything, we'll now combine all of them, then take it to Gumroad and sell it. So I'm going to show you how you are going to export it. I want to show you something. Let's come to this place. Now this place is very, very important. This is how structure how you are going to sell your product. If this product, you are going to sell this product $27, let's give away price $27 for the bundles. Let's calculate it. If you sell 2 products, then if you sell this bundle at the price of $27 and you sell 2 products in a day, your daily income is $54 and weekly income is $378 and your monthly income should be $1,512 in a month, and you can make more than this. So this is how it works. I will show you. Let's go to Gumroad. So you come to Gumroad. This is a wonderful platform where you can sell your product. Okay, so I have already signed up with a new account to just use it to illustrate. Because of security reasons, that's why we are not showing our balance. Okay, let me just walk you through. Discovery, click. So I'm going to show you. This is Gumroad store. Okay, this Gumroad store. As you scroll down, you will see prices. As this one, $35. As you can see. So these are the prices where you can list your product. This one is $25. See, this one is $100 monthly, $140 monthly. If you scroll down, you will see different prices. What you have to do, sign up with your email and Gumroad, fill your details, your bank account, and launch your new product. Okay, and start selling. Imagine creating one product and launch it in different platforms. This platform will be bringing money for you. This one will be bringing money for you. This one will be bringing money for you. In a month, you are making thousands of dollars. That is how it works. Please, as I said earlier before, I have already mailed these bundles for you. Just go to my description link or my comment. I drop all those products there. Just download them, okay? Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you love my video. Please, I love you guys. Stay safe. Shalom.